CHUWI Herobook Pro 14.1 Laptop. Review. Deal discount. Unboxing setup. Honestly, I was looking for a computer since all my classes are online and I didn't want to spend $2,000 on a Mac, and the small Chromebooks would not cut IT for me. This is the price of a Chromebook and OMG is super fast, super lightweight. The keyboard is the right size since I have bug arms. I say IT worth the price and the charge last. ID you're looking at computer that will get the job done as a high school student or college. I highly recommend this one. My family wants to even get one cause of the price and quality. The overall quality of this laptop is just amazing. You get a nice feel to the keyboard and pad, not too slippery and not too grind. It was just right. Now I used to use a 15.6-inch laptop, this is just a 14.1, not much of a difference, but it broke so I had to improvise. So this laptop is smaller than my old one, but I got used to it in one day. The color of this laptop is also very sleek. This laptop is very easy to use. What I mean by that is the software on this laptop is Windows, which means in the left-hand corner the Windows icon prompts you to everything you need, your emails, Spotify, calendar, weather app, calculator, alarm if you need it, anything you install, etc. I will also like to mention that the speed of this laptop is unbelievable. I usually have about 10 tabs open and this laptop is just too fast. So I ran a test and opened up 40 tabs. Yes, you heard that right, and it ran so smooth, almost mind-blowing. When you buy this laptop you can try it out yourself and see what I'm talking about. Now after everything I just listed, this laptop must be for anyone looking to binge, watch Netflix, YouTube, use for work, schoolwork, but also relax on some League of Legends. Overall a great product. Highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box. Thanks for watching it. Have a nice day.